My life before I was diagnosed, I was very active growing up, participating in a lot of sports, a competitive swimmer for over 10 plus years. It wasn't until I was in my mid-20s that I started to experience some symptoms. The symptoms were chest pain, shortness of breath, heart palpitations, and dizziness. My doctor at the time referred me to St. Paul's. I remember meeting with an internist at St. Paul's. It wasn't enough to understand what the condition was at that point, but I vividly remember him telling me if I was his daughter that he would want to push through and advocate for me. I was diagnosed with an anomalous right pulmonary artery. I was born with the condition, and so it was clear that I needed to have open heart surgery. I was met with a lot of care and kindness going into the operating room, waking up in ICU, and then hearing from the doctors as well as my family that everything went well and the surgery was a success. After the surgery, it was challenging, even as simple as brushing your teeth to walking a lap around the hospital. It was a significant challenge for me. I had such a strong support system around me, from my family, from my friends, from my employer, to the medical team at St. Paul's. My life now is better than ever. I have a clean bill of health since the surgery itself, so I no longer have to worry. When I found out that I had to go through the significant open heart surgery, I immediately notified Grosvenor. They took any type of stress or worry away from my job to let me focus on the path ahead.
Grosvenor's support of St. Paul's reaches back over 35 years, well before my time, but I believe that our support is as relevant today as it would have been back then. In the past year, we lost our office manager, Sharina Raza, to cancer. She was a huge advocate for the Lights of Hope initiative, and so this year was incredibly special. And several of us came out to support the assembly, and we can't wait to see the outcome, and we did that in her honor this year. We are so proud to be able to support our team members and the community through Lights of Hope. Jordan's heart journey at St. Paul's is but one example of how important compassionate and innovative care is to the entire province. So on behalf of Grosvenor, we are proud to support a star and deliver meaningful care to those in need.